What's up, guys? This is Nick at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I'm about to do a walk around of this car. It's a 1971 Chevelle with a 454 built big block. Very fast car. I'm gonna walk around, point out any kind of flaws I can find in this video, and then the next video I'll do a test drive. We'll take her down the road. I post videos like this every single day. Please subscribe to our channel. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of every one of these cars out here on the lot. Got a lot to get to this week. We got a ton of new inventory in. I'm gonna start up here. First thing I noticed, they replaced the front bumper. It's nice and new and shiny, along with all the trim, the headlight bezels. The grille looks new. Pretty good there. They got a fiberglass hood here, very light. I have clips that go in here to hold it down. Go ahead and open it up. Built big block, very fast car. It looks like it's got disc brakes on the front. Did a pretty good job there. This car definitely needs those brakes, if not upgraded even more. Electric fan. Battery has been located to the back in the trunk. You can see how clean it is under this hood here. Set of black wheels, set up for racing. Skinnies in the front. Still got the tread on them so you can drive it on the street. There's a few imperfections on it. I see some chips in the paint right here. A few little chips. Every so often on this paint job. A little bit of dirt on the door there to come off. Probably my sweat from the test drive. Some chips at the bottom of the door here. Just look like a little work's been done right there. Y'all can see that. Rear bumper's been replaced as well. Looks really good. Upgraded fuel pump. This car's running on racing fuel. You can smell the sweetness in the air. Almost looks like the trunk's been painted. A little bit of a tone off. This is more of an orange red, and this is more of a red. So. Panel back here looks really good. There's an orange line right here. I'm not sure what in the world. I don't know if y'all could see that. Maybe they tried to color something in there. I don't know, it's just orange there and red there, so it's very faint. But since the clouds are coming out, I can start seeing more stuff. Hopefully I beat this storm. There's a big old storm coming in. A lot of the seals, they've been on there a little while. I didn't notice it was wet, and it has been raining here. They're still soft. A little bit of orange peel around this door handle on this door. See that fender's a little bit, the car's been painted in certain areas. This fender's a little bit more orange than this door, it's red. Overall, the body looks pretty good. Whoever had this spent a ton of money on this motor. Let's check the interior out. See that, or that door is a little bit different color on this side as well. Same as the other side, it matches certain areas that they painted, I guess. The weather stripping's a little bit rotted out there. Still saw. Car used to be blue, obviously. At least the door was. See if we can find some more signs of blue. Dash looks pretty good on this one. The tach does work. The temp gauge up here does work. Oil pressure gauge works. I didn't see the speedometer moving at all. The seat's got a few little cracks and stuff in them from wear and tear. They've been in here a while. Like I said, I think majority of the money was spent on the drivetrain on this car. It's got line lock. See the line lock on the side of the shifter there. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk. It's like they put a metal pan down. I'm gonna say that trunk was rotting out before, and they just stuck that pan in there to make up for it. Floor mat. There's the battery. Quick disconnect. She'll hook up here in a minute. Start her up. Looks like the seal around the trunk. It's got a few imperfections, but it definitely looks newer than the rest of the seals on the car. All right, hook this up, start the car up. All right, let's start her up. Well, I forgot, you gotta click the fuel pump on and your power. That power won't let it kick over or start up or nothing. As soon as you do that, it may have flooded it a little bit. Starts right up. It will cool down. I just took it on a long test drive. I cut it off to heat it up a little bit. You can see it pulling down now. On the test drive, we didn't get over 190 on the temp, so. right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to talk with you. We sell these cars every single day. I post videos like this every single day. Please subscribe if you want more content from this channel. And check out my website, maplemotors.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of every single car on the lot. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.